Nijushiho! Nijushiho! What's up guys, welcome to Ultimate Karate. In today's lesson we're learning Kata Nijushiho. So if you guys are ready, let's get right into it. Alright guys, Kata Nijushiho. Starting off, take your bow. From here, get into yoi. First move, you're going to press block with your left hand. Step back, kokutsudashi back stance. From here, I press in yakuzuki without coming up and moving into a half stance position. Okay, from this position with my left hand, I draw underneath and point my elbow to my target, getting into sanchin dashi. Okay, from here. Okay, from this position, you're gonna turn towards your right side, maintain sanchin dashi, cross my arms, double hikite, and two-hand strike. One hand jodan, one hand chudan. From this position, I guard, draw my forearms and knee to the center. And then I go double block like a frame into Zen Kutsudachi. From this position, I wind up for Ageuke, rising block to my left side, and strike, and rising elbow. From this position, I'm gonna move my right leg and shift into Kibadachi horse stance while going to Tate Shuto, a vertical hand block to my right side. From here, I'm gonna yoko geri kekomi, side thrust kick, and kagizuki, hook punch. Okay, same thing to the other side. Left side, yoko geri, and kagizuki. From this position, I cross my left leg and press block with my right hand. So I'm here, then I shift fudodachi, two hands on top, one up, one down, grabbing. From this position with my left hand, I'm gonna turn and block. Turn and block, and haito to my opponent. Okay, this is front stance, right hand up, left hand back. Both are open palm. So I'm here, and I go up to kiai, left hand slams, okay, standing straight up. From this position, I'm gonna throw my opponent, slam to the ground, drop into kokutsudachi. So I'm up, I go and then finish your opponent right here. Okay, double punch. From this position, I wind up to my rear, my corner side here, not totally left, not totally straight, to the corner. Okay, back stance, left hand open. From here, I shift into kibadachi, horse stance, rising elbow directly to the side under your opponent's chin. from here, shift like you're winding up for downward block, and back. I go to the other side, to my rear side. Okay, same position. I'm gonna come forward and piuchi. Okay, elbow strike. Boom, in kibarachi. From here, strike with my right hand. Shift again to the corner. Going up, strike. Downward block. Now in order to get back to the embusen, the center line, you have to take a giant leap with your right leg. Draw your hands together. And mawashi uke. Land in sanchin dachi. And yame. Haiba. Os. Alright, Kata Nijushiho, let's count it out. Okay, starting off, take your bow. Os. Announcer Kata Nijushiho. Hayoi. Ich. Ni. San. Shi. Go. Rook. Sich. Hutch. Ku. Ju. Ich. Ni. San. Hei. Ji. Go. Rook. Sich. Hutch. Ku. Ju. Ich. Ni. San. Hei. Ji. Ayame. Aiba. Os.